welcome to my channel. This time we're going to fix the catalytic converter on my Porsche 911. But first, we've got to go collect it. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do like this video then please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Instagram. Let's go. So if you remember the last 0 to 60 that I did in my Porsche 911, at the end of it the actual catalytic converter appears to have collapsed and caused the engine to just be firing on 3 cylinders. So I limped it back to the garage, and the garage said, yep, your cat has definitely collapsed, you need a replacement cat. Checking online and find a replacement cat, but it's close to £2,000 just for one catalytic converter for the Porsche 911. So I decided, as I'm probably not going to keep the car, I decided that I'm going to get a second-hand one. So I investigated around and found on the old eBay there that there was somebody selling one of these £520. So I negotiated with him and I got the price down to £400 for this obviously second-hand cat, which we are now going to pick up. So I'm going to pick this up because the guy was in Tadcaster, which is about 30 minutes from me, and he wanted £25 for the postage and packing. I thought, well, I may as well go pick this up. But the strange thing is he wants to meet me at the Ferry Bridge service station to hand it over there. Not sure why, but I'm protected by eBay anyway because I've paid for it via eBay. So if it is absolutely rubbish when I get it, I can just claim the money back from eBay. So here we go, pulling into Ferry Bridge services. So let's go find a man with a cat. So there we go, deal done. One dodgy replacement cat done at a service station, but here we go. So this is it. I've checked the code number and it looks like it is the correct one. So luckily this one has actually come with the sensors as well, so it's got 2 of them in there, so they're probably worth a few bob. So hopefully if you want a man, because this one might be damaged with the cat collapsing inside, we've got a couple more to play with, which is brilliant. So let's get it back to the garage and let's get it installed. So here we are at the garage. It's MOT7. It's a good friend of mine. I'm going to put the web link below, and also I'll put it in the description. He said that I can use the ramps here to repair the car myself, so let's go take a look. So here we are inside the garage, and the car has now been, we attempted to put it onto this ramp here, but this ramp is got these massive arms and we can't get these arms under the side skirts. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it and we're going to put it onto this ramp here, because this ramp is much easier to work on the car with, except that it's a bit low, the car, so we just want to make sure we don't catch the front lip, so we're just jacking that up with a piece of wood. You may notice that the exhaust has already been removed, and that's because I took it into another garage initially. They took off the rear tips and the actual broken cat, which is there. Let's get it up on the ramp and then we can dig deeper in, see what we've got. Okay, so it was a bit of messing around, but eventually we've actually got it onto this ramp here. We had to use loads of bits of wood because of the front lip, but we even took the front lip off to make it easier to get it on the ramp. So, cause this is a very low car at the front here, so we removed the front lip down there, and that made it easier to get it up on the ramp. So next stage is to get the rear lights out and the rear bumper off. I'll do it on time lapse. Here we go. So now bumper is removed, the next stage is to take off this crash bar here, which will also remove the heat shields here and make it much easier to get at the parts underneath. So as you can see, that now gives us full access to the exhaust area under here. Let me just talk you through what we've got. So we can see here, there is the downpipe from the actual engine. So that would go into the actual cat and go along, and the cat would join back onto this pipe here, which then goes into the silencer. Silencer output then goes into this pipe and this pipe, which then goes into the double tips. So as you can see, this cat has been removed. That's the good cat. The bad cat has obviously been taken off. Time to now fit the new cat back on to the car. Okay, that's all the exhaust back together now, so now let's refit the crash bar. So that's crash bar now fitted, so now let's go fit the bumper. Okay, she's all together now, so let's go for a cold start and then we can get it off the ramp. So there we go, YouTubers. Special thanks to MOT7 for allowing me to use their ramps and to get my car back on the road, sounding beautiful. So let's get going. So don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, then please subscribe to my channel and give me that thumbs up, and join on my Instagram where you'll see upcoming pictures of what's happening. Till the next time, take care.